have her fly to do what's right. Here come the PJ Riders. Here come the PJ Riders. It's the PJ Riders. Gecko's powered lizard stumbles and it's okay. He's got the tail swipe that keeps the baddies away. He's got the muscle, the might. It's PJ Masks. Heroes unite. Here come the PJ Riders. Here come the PJ Riders.
Wow! Gray Matter got a mega level upgrade. Alexa, stop. On this night's episode for Master Designers, we're going to start to draw Gray Matter Omni Enhanced. Intelligence is not the only thing Gray Matter is good at. In his Omni-Enhanced form, he has taken his muscle to another level. For his size difference, this guy has taken his body to another level, involving the Omni-Enhanced evolution. Thank you, Shock Rock. Just ask this. If Shock Rock had Omni-Enhanced all the aliens on Ben 10 Omniverse. Besides Gray Matter's short skull, his upper body has longer arms and electric legs. Alexa, tell me something about primates.
Here's a fact about primates. Here's what I found on primates Wikipedia page. Capuchin monkeys can be trained to assist quadriplegic humans. Their intelligence, memory, and manual dexterity make them ideal helpers.
finally completed. Omni-enhanced gray matter has finally been upgraded. Stegosaurus, see you later.